Very good morning, kids. Today in this video you will learn how you have to attempt your online assessment test, and you will also get to know the types of question which you will get in the test. So once you have received the link on the WhatsApp group, when you will click on the link, you will find such kind of dialog box appearing. Some of you might find it and some of you might not find it. So what you have to do is you have to sign in. Okay, once you sign it, it will ask verify it's you have to give the email ID and the password as well. So once you have entered the password, this is how the paper will look like. So first of all, make sure that you are filling each and every part of the test paper. For example, here it is given name of the student. If I am writing here Ishita, for instance, I am writing Ishita, you will write your name here, then class and section. For example, if I am taking 5th B, you will click on next. Now you can see you have come to the paper. So this is your reading comprehension here, and you have to read the passage carefully and answer the following questions. Okay, so let's read the passage first of all, and then we'll discuss the questions. So the topic of the comprehension is the sweet taste of summer. I am thrilled that June is finally here. Now I can enjoy what I call the sweet taste of summer. Watermelons are in the stores and I plan to eat one every day for the next 3 months. I think watermelons taste better than any other fruit. Peaches, plums, and strawberries are also great in the summer. I enjoy eating those too, but they just don't taste as good to me as a sweet watermelon. My whole family likes eating watermelons. We ate at least 3 watermelons a week last year. This year I am going to eat watermelon every day. So you will be getting such kind of comprehension passage, and based on this particular comprehension passage you will be getting questions. So the first one is, I am thrilled that dash is finally here. Okay, so you will be getting multiple choice questions like this. You have to select the right answer. So it is saying I am thrilled that dash is finally here. What is finally here? June. So you will go for June. Okay, how many watermelons did the family eat in last year? 3. The speaker describes the taste of watermelon as, how did he describe? He described it as sweet watermelon. So sweet. The speaker has compared the watermelon with, yes, he compared the watermelon with which all fruits? Peaches, plums, and strawberries. So next, now be very careful. Until and unless you are filling all the questions, you cannot move to the next section. So once you have done all the questions, cross check, only then you will click on next. Now you can see we are on the grammar section. So let's discuss that. The abstract noun from intelligent is intelligence, intelligently, intelligence, or intelligenceless. It is intelligence. So we will select intelligence. Next, find the odd one out. Happiness, chair, sadness, childhood. So chair. Why? Because it is a concrete noun. Kanika is my friend. What is Kanika in this sentence? Yes, it's a proper noun. Time plus table is timetable. Robin is known for his dash. You have to make an abstract noun of wise, so it is wisdom. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate collective noun. A dash of players were practicing in the ground. Pack, team, gang, or herd. A team of players. Seventh one, dash is an example of common noun. Yes, you are having 4 options here. You have to select which one of them is a common noun. India, Karan, school, or Dr. Malhotra. School. Why? Because India, Karan, and Dr. Malhotra, 3 of them are proper noun. So now, since we have done all the questions, we will click on next. Literature part. State whether true or false. Now you have to read the sentence and you have to be very careful while attempting the questions. Make sure you are reading the instructions very carefully. Mr. Ghosh was not a kind man. False, true, or not sure. So he was a kind man, we know that, so it is a false. Miniature means a huge model, a very small model, only a model, or maybe something other. Maybe the answer is not mentioned here. For wherever it is mentioned other, it means that we are saying that the answer is not given in these options. So the answer is there, so the answer is very small model. Mr. Ghosh had a colony of, yes, interesting question. He had a colony of white mice, monkeys, brown mice, or dogs. White mice. The name of the chapter is White Mice. What did the child eat at Mr. Ghosh's house? Yes, what did he eat? A slice of pizza, chocolate ice cream, 2 large rasgullas, or mango pie? The answer is 2 large rasgullas. The child was going to dash after his vacations. Yes, where was he going? Where was he going back? He was going back to Delhi. An hour later, we all had to leap out of our beds when Uncle Ken dashed out of his room, screaming that something furry and soft was running about inside his clothes. Screaming here means, what is the meaning of screaming? Screaming means shouting loudly. Okay. In the end, how did grandfather help Uncle Ken? At the end of the chapter, at the end of the story, we saw that grandfather was enjoying and he helped Uncle Ken. What he suggested to him? He suggested that he needs to remove his clothes. So we'll go for the second option. The child wrote a dash to his grandfather. Telegram, demand draft, or fax. He wrote a telegram. Uncle Ken started to panic. Panic here means sure, direct, under control, fear, or happy. Fear. So let's submit. Now this is another important part. Here, once you submit the paper, you will not be able to access to this particular paper again. Once you have submitted, you have submitted. You cannot change your answers. So be very careful before submitting. So let's submit it now. And this is how you have submitted your paper. You can view your score also. If the answers are correct, you will be able to see that they have been marked as green. If the answers are wrong, they would be marked as red. So this is how you have to attempt your paper. All the very best to everyone, and if you have any doubt, you can reach to me. Goodbye, take care.